You are the blueprint that they study from. These individuals are drawn to your intellect, the way you articulate yourself, your thought pattern, the way you strategize, the way you see things. And they fear this power that resides within you. They fear about what you will do with this knowledge that you have. Before you came onto the scene, these individuals, they felt that they were the originators. They felt that they were the showstoppers. The ones that were unorthodox, the ones that thought outside of the box. And they don't want to put respect on your name. They admire you. They have a lot of admiration for you. But they will choose to detach with you as opposed to collaborating with you. They are threatened by your ideas, and they study your ideas. They study your formula. They see you as someone magical, magician-like. They are closed off from expressing themselves the way that you express yourself. And many a time you may have found that these people choose to isolate you and try to leave you out in the cold, but Spirit didn't want it any other way. They were actually doing you a favor. They were trying to King or Queen of Swords you, but all along your guides were distancing you from them because you're both not in alignment. For some of you, this could be family members that are in heavy competition with you. Again, there's an energy of them becoming aware and gaining clarity of your power, of your leadership. You are a pioneer. There's something that you've done that has been the first in your family, in your community, at your workplace. But again, they will not give you your dues. They will not give you your flowers. They will take your formula and recycle it like it's their own. They will only come around to gain more knowledge, to gain more ideas from you, and act as if they were the ones that did it first. They are fixated on what you can become with the talents and gifts that you have. They are fixated on your investments. What are you investing in? They are pocket watching you. They are trying to copy, in some cases, your creativity, your magic, but you cannot copy essence. You cannot copy someone's ideas. Okay, in some cases you can, right? Some people can copy ideas, right? We all take, we can all take influence from certain things, right? But make it our own. However, this individual wants to copy your exact formula, how you dress, how you do your hair, how you talk, your creative ideas, how you express yourself, how you express yourself at work. It's all built around you. And you may have found at a time that these individuals, they may have either tried to stop and block you, or they may have chosen not to be around you because it was too much to be around someone like you. Because these individuals or this person felt like they were the ones that should be in that leadership position. They were the ones that people should look up to, give admiration to, give praise to, but yet they did not want to put in the work. There's a reason why some people are in certain positions and some people are not. Now, as I say that, there are in some cases whereby people are put in positions by default, and maybe in the past this actual person was put in a certain position by default, but you are the real deal. And in some cases as well, some people unfortunately are put in certain positions and everyone fails when they're in these certain roles. I mentioned it before, and another reader that I love, her name's called Jess Puckett, she actually mentions that as well. Not in those same exact words, but to a certain degree, that when the wrong leader is in certain positions of power, everyone will suffer. But when the right leaders are in positions of power, everyone wins. And the reason why this person is not being in the position that they want to be in is because it will not benefit anyone but them. It will not benefit anyone but their ego, their greed. They are not here to help the collective. They are not here to help others. They're here to gloat. They're here to stunt on people. They're here to look down upon people. And if they were given this certain role or position that they want, the position that you are in, then they will stunt on people and look down upon people and perhaps bully people even more. And because they're not in these certain roles, they are actually growing very irritable. They are growing very annoyed and very angry. They feel miles apart from you. You know, they feel trapped. They feel stagnated. You know, they just feel like they can't move from where they are at. They are in mental prison. And maybe you've walked away from this individual because you felt like, you know, this person's energy is a little bit off. Like, why are they looking like me? Why are they acting like me? Why they always want to be around me? Or why are they just moving funny with me, you know? And you may have removed yourself, or spirit is saying that it's time to keep a distance from this individual. This person is drawn to the way you're able to express your love. They're actually drawn to your authenticity, is what I'm picking up. They are also in emotional turbulence due to the fact that other people are drawn to you. And for some of you, that could be the thing. For some of you, this person is drawn to you because they see the way other people admire you. So they wanted to unpack what it is about you as to why people, I'm hearing the word, fall in love with you, or generally just like you as a person, or they see the way people are so authentic and emotionally expressive towards you, and they feel like they haven't got those same qualities. So they're trying to tap in, or they have tried to tap in as to why people open up to you in a way whereby they don't open up to them. And it could possibly be because of your authenticity. You lead with the heart. You embody love. And it makes this person feel like they are inadequate in regards to you, because maybe for some of you, they were trying to, you know, compete with you in regards to how much money they have. Maybe they felt like they were making more money than you. They were in a better position than you. But even if that is the case, they still wasn't getting treated in the same way that you are treated in, because you are treated with respect. You are treated with admiration, love, and care. And because this person propositioned themselves as someone that was very fancy and, you know, very financially abundant, whatever the case is, in some cases they were used as a bank account. So they are trying to study your formula, but they can't, because in order to even get an inch of your essence, they will have to be authentic with themselves, and they hide behind the material. You know, they look down upon others who are not making as much money as they are. They value the material more than actual soul connections. And so they're in disbelief as to how someone like you can cultivate so much love, care, opportunities, attention. They're not understanding it. And the more they try for some of you to embody your energy and study you, for some of you, they've tried to be very kind, compassionate, and, you know, caring and loving. But people can sense the fakeness. They try to make people choose between themselves and you by embodying your energy and copying your whole blueprint. But you choose yourself, and so